Hello friends, welcome back to the course. In today's lecture we're going to look at a derivation related to volumetric efficiency of an air compressor. In previous lecture we have seen the effect of clearance volume. One of the point which we have studied was the intake stroke during the operation of compressor was greatly affected, and the reasons for the same are shown here. One of the reason is the resistance that is offered by the inlet and delivery valve itself causes reduction for the intake of the air. And the second reason is the air which is coming into the cylinder, because of the presence of high temperature prevailing inside the cylinder, will cause a decrease in the density based upon the equation as shown here, since the density is inversely proportional to temperature. And the last reason is there is a back pressure being offered for the fresh incoming air. So that is another reason why the intake stroke during the operation of compressor is affected. Now let us now take up a derivation on the volumetric efficiency. By definition, volumetric efficiency is given as a ratio of actual volume to that of swept volume. Now looking at the PV diagram, actual volume represents here the effective swept volume, which is given as V1 minus V4, and the swept volume represents a piston displacement volume, which is given as V1 minus V3. Therefore, plugging in these two volumes into the equation, we get the equation of this kind. Further, V1 represents from the PV diagram the sum of clearance volume and the piston displacement volume. Plugging in these volumes into V1, we get the equation of this kind. Further, cancelling out the like terms with opposite signs and taking the LCM, the equation takes up this form. Taking the same equation further and then simplifying that by multiplying numerator and denominator with Vc, then we have the terms Vc by Vs of this kind. Therefore, one can replace Vc by Vs with one constant C and another Vc by Vs by another constant, same constant C. Then the equation of volumetric efficiency, the final equation, gets reduced of this kind. Now it has been observed that with increase in pressure ratio there is a decrease in the volumetric efficiency. This is mainly because if you look into the PV diagram, to obtain higher pressure ratio, that will take place with at the cost of reduction in the clearance volume. Therefore, the suction stroke increases. As a result of this, the volumetric efficiency decreases. Now, expressing volumetric efficiency in terms of overall volumetric efficiency, we have one more parameter to concentrate, and that is called as a free air delivery. This represents the volume of air compressed inside the cylinder corresponding to the ambient condition. Therefore, we have an equation PA by TA is equal to P1 V1 by T1 based upon the property relation. Since during the suction stroke we see that the pressure is almost constant, therefore one can have a relation of this kind. Now V1 represents here as V1 minus V4, which is effective swept volume. Then we have equation of this kind. Then representing the same equation in terms of VA, which is representing free air delivery, we get the equation in a reduced form as shown here. Now plugging in this equation into the main volumetric efficiency, by definition we get the equation of this kind. Now replacing free air delivery, which we obtained previously, into this equation, it gets reduced further of this kind. Now next, V1 minus V4 by V1 minus V3 represents 1 plus C minus C and V4 by V3 as shown here. Now this V4 by V3, looking at the PV diagram, this by applying the property relation expansion stroke, which can be written in terms of pressure ratios as P3 by P4 raised to 1 by N. Therefore, we can replace volumes with reference to pressure ratios and we get the equation of this kind. Further, one can write P3 by P4 in terms of P2 by P1. This is mainly because of the PV diagram, the processes are constant pressure. With this we have come to the end of today's lecture. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please refer to these books.